Assalamu alaikum. Very warm welcome in homeopathic health. Today our topic is heart problem and homeopathic treatment for every type of heart disease. Heart disease is a term that refers to any disorder of the heart. Diseases under the heart disease include coronary artery disease, arrhythmias, and congenital heart defects. The term cardiovascular disease generally refers to condition that involves the blood vessels which lead to heart attack, chest pain, or stroke. There are many other types of heart problems rather than congenital and arrhythmias, dilated myocardial hypertrophic mitral regurgitation, mitral valve prolapse, and many others. There are many causes for heart diseases. Heart disease is caused by any damage to the heart, the coronary arteries, or due to poor supply of nutrients and oxygen to the heart. Some heart diseases, such as hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, are genetic and some are congenital. We can control these types of situation by controlling these causes. There are many symptoms of heart diseases. The common symptoms of heart diseases include chest pain or angina, breathlessness, and heart palpitations. Heart disease may result in heart attack and heart failure when left untreated. The signs of heart attack are similar to angina, but they can also occur during rest and tend to be more severe. Other signs are breathlessness, dizziness, profuse, and others. Now come to the homeopathic treatment. The very first medicine is aurum metallicum. Heart failure after valvular laziness. Heart feels loose on walking, sensations as if heart stop beating for 2 or 3 seconds, immediately followed by rebound with sinking at the epigastrium, oppression at the heart pulse, and many other problems. Crataegus, it is a heart tonic. Heart muscles problem who seem flabby, worn out, heart weakness with oppression, stitches, and insomnia, extremely dyspnea. Then again, next is nausea, heart failure with weakness and valvular disorders, visible palpitations, lichorias. It is best for heart failures with pain in the region of heart. Some other medicines also use in which essentia aurea is very much important, which is unbalanced heartbeat and uncontrolled blood pressure. It is very useful in those cases. Now come to the prevention of heart diseases. How can we prevent this disease? Some of the heart diseases, such as congenital and genetic conditions, may not be preventable, but other types can be preventable by taking the following measures. Old age, hereditary conditions, high blood pressure and cholesterol, smoking and alcohol, overweight and obesity, and diabetes are big risk factors for heart diseases. So, control these by eating a balanced diet, a low fat, high fiber food with fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, less amount of salt and sugar in the diet. Exercise regularly. This will strengthen the heart and circulatory system, reduce cholesterol, and maintain blood pressure. Avoid smoking as it is a major risk factor for heart and cardiovascular conditions. Reduce the intake of alcohol also. Manage other health conditions such as high blood pressure or diabetes as they eventually affects the heart. In old age, heart problem is on risk, and high blood pressure is also very critical condition. So it is very important to control these situations. Okay, these were the homeopathic treatment for heart diseases. So take these by your doctor prescription and get advantage from this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new, then press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.